Come on. When last that your bank send you credit alert for savings interest on top that your bank account where you know they ever touch?
Wait a minute.
1 week ago? 2 weeks? Maybe a month? How much be the amount? 1K? 2K? 5K? Or maybe 8K? You smile when you see Amabi. Okay, but make you calm down first. Calm down. I'll show you what actually happened on that day where you see that credit alert will give you joy. But before then, make I sip coffee small. The alert where your bank send you, na magic trick o. They show you wetin they want make you see, but they did not show you what inflation took. And what inflation took is much bigger. Much bigger. My name is, you know what? Forget about my name, because I'm your rich uncle for today. And my job for today is to tell you the hard money truths that nobody has sat you down to explain to you. No motivational nonsense, no aspire to perspire to inspire. Just straight up truth, no vagueness, no beating about the bush. The truth in your face. Today's lesson is the most important lesson I'll be teaching because everything else that I'll be teaching on this channel, investing, wealth building, the stock markets, all rest upon this one thing. So pull up a chair. Uncle, get something where you want yarn you. I want you to meet Folake, 29 years old, lives in Lekki, works for a mid-sized firm, saves diligently every month. 50,000 naira goes into her savings account on the first week of the month when she receives her salary. By December, Folake has 600,000 naira plus the 18,000 interest, 20,000 actually interest that the bank has added on top. She feels very good about herself, and she should feel good because she saved diligently for a year, consistently without fail. So Folake takes a screenshot of her achievement, and she should take a screenshot because it's no mean feat to save that much money consistently and diligently. But let me show you what happened to Folake's money as she saved 600,000 naira and some change added by the bank for a whole year. The Nigeria that existed in January when she put in her first 50,000 naira is not the same Nigeria in December. Let me be very specific about that. Everything, basically the cost of everything has gone up. Gari up. The cost of transportation has gone up. In fact, landlords have sent notice of a 15% increase in the cost of rent. Mama Tunde, who she buys tomatoes with from the market, has also increased the cost of her goods. So everything has gone up. Everything that Folake buys regularly has gone up. And that's not bad luck, that's inflation. And Nigerian inflation this year is running around 16%. She saved consistently, was disciplined for a full year. And what's the result? She's the poorer for it. Her bank gave her 3% and Nigeria took 16%. Let that sink in. Now here's the part that should make you genuinely angry. Your bank knows this. So the banks borrow your money at 3%. They invest it at 17%. They pocket the difference of 14%. Think about that for a moment. The banks borrow your money at 3%. They invest it at 17%, and they pocket the difference on your balance every single month. This is not illegal. This is not a conspiracy. They're a bank, they're a business, and their job is to make money off your money. However, you have a job which nobody taught you, and that job is to not let the banks make money off your money. So what is the alternative? And what is it that Folake didn't know? That thing is called the money market fund, and I'm going to explain it in simple, plain terms so that you can get it. The money market fund is a pool, a very large pool that is professionally managed by fund managers, and they use it to buy short-term instruments like commercial papers, treasury bills, government placements that pay between 16, 17, and 18%. The difference from the bank, the fund doesn't keep the spread. After their 1 or 2% management fee, the rest of the returns come back to you. Right now, in 2026, the money market funds in Nigeria are paying between 16 to 18%. So let me run Folake's numbers again. Same amount, same discipline, just one different decision. 600,000 naira invested across 12 months in a money market fund in Nigeria earns for approximately 120,000 naira. Not 18,000 naira, 120,000 naira. And remember, inflation was 16%. So she didn't just survive inflation, she outran it because her money grew in real terms. Same for same amount in savings every month, but the outcome was different. Now, I know two questions are already forming in your mind. Let me answer them. The first question I know you're asking is this safe? The money market fund is not a savings account, so it's not protected by the NDIC deposit insurance. However, in Nigeria, it's a pretty safe investment because it's professionally managed, it is regulated by the Securities and Exchange Commission, and it's pretty stable. So minimum risk. It's invested in short-term government and bank instruments. The risk is very low, not zero. Nothing is zero, but very low. So the second question I know that you have is, can I get my money back quickly? And the answer is yes. It's not locked away for a long time. It's easily accessible, and most money market funds can process your withdrawal within 1 to 3 business days. So it's not so far away that you can't access it in case of an emergency, but it's tucked just far away so that you don't indulge your impulses and buy that thing you saw on Instagram. So download a Nigerian investment app. Ensure that it's regulated by the Securities and Exchange Commission. And what you're going to do is to transfer every single money, every single amount that is sitting in that your savings account that you're not going to use this week. And after you do that, set an automatic transfer for a day after payday to that account so that you are saving consistently every single month. And you're not saving to your savings account with the bank, but you're saving your money and you're transferring it into the money market fund that you've set up. 8 minutes. That's all it takes to stop being Folake at the beginning of this story and to become Folake at the end of this story. I said in the beginning that everything rests on one thing. And if you don't understand that keeping your money in a low interest savings account is actually losing money, then you will not understand that actually the harder you save, the more you lose to the banks. Simple. You need to know where your money goes before you can grow it. And now you know. Next time your bank sends you that interest credit alert, you're going to feel very different about it now. Subscribe to this channel because nobody else in your family sat you down and explained this to you in simple terms. That's my job now. And in the link to the description, grab my free guide. It will cover everything that we talked about today and 5 other moves that you can take to show you how you can better manage your money today. I'll see you in the next video.